scan document or picture to PDF. In this video I will show you guys how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you should come and open your I forget to say this, come to your Play Store and upload this application who name it Tap Screen. After this, when you upload it, I will keep the link in the description. You will just come and open it like this. After this, it will open normally. You will just come and click on scan. Click, for example, from camera, I want to scan, I have something here. As you can see, I want to scan it. I will just do it like this. And I will scan. I will move my weight like this. And then I will click to take picture. After this, I will cut the things that I don't want to show in the paper. Then I will click next. After this, as you can see, here you can edit, and here you can choose the type of your scan that you want. For example, I will just I prefer to do this, and I will this is like pro, and there is something free, and for example this one I will do it like this and like this, yeah. So, and then click save, and when you finish, that's it, it's saving. Here you can write the name of your file, and that's it. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, can write it down in comments. Also, don't forget to support us, to subscribe and like the video, and see you next video.